For sale, 2021 Chevrolet LCF 4500XD refrigerated box truck with 112,373 miles. This medium-duty cab-over-engine truck is equipped with a 5.2L Isuzu 4HK1TC diesel engine producing 215 horsepower, mated to a 6-speed Aisin A465 automatic transmission. It features a 16-foot Morgan insulated box with tri-fold rear doors and E-track systems for efficient cargo organization. The Thermo King T690 standalone reefer unit has only 5,126 hours, ensuring dependable temperature control. Built on a single rear axle rated at 14,550 lbs and a 6,830 lb front axle, the truck rides on a spring suspension and includes a 30-gallon aluminum fuel tank. The body dimensions measure 91 in height and 96 in width, ideal for urban refrigerated delivery routes. Finished in a high-visibility orange with a gray interior, this one-owner unit has been fleet maintained, comes with service records, and is in clean, ready-to-work condition.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go, because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership, because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.